Hey, Sam.
Hey.
We really rocked it today, didn't we?
Are you trying to say rocket?
Well, we rock.
Just sing the song, Darren.
Rocket?
T-minus 3 minutes until liftoff.
Ooh, it's time to rock it, raise your bottles, let the stoppers take your rocket, bottle rocket. It's time to rock it, right to catch a flight, push down with a mic to rocket, bottle rocket. I got some acetic acid, sodium bicarb as my base. When you neutralize them, you CO2 to outer space. It's all about separation of the reactants up in play. One's a controlled explosion, the other just blows up in your face. It's time to rock it, right your bottles like the stoppers tight your rocket, bottle rocket. It's time to rock it, right to catch a flight, push down with a mic to rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket. The chemistry creates the gases, building pressure for the thrust. Add some fins and hot nose cones to get the motion that we trust. It's a marriage of chem and physics, acids and bases and Newton's third law. Every reaction has an equal reaction in the opposite direction, that's all. It's time to rock it, right your bottles like the stoppers tight your rocket, bottle rocket. It's time to rock it, right to catch a flight, push down with a mic to rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket, bottle rocket. Potential energy has chemical energy makes kinetic energy gives increased velocity. Potential energy adds chemical energy makes kinetic energy gives increased velocity. Potential energy adds chemical energy makes kinetic energy gives